What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another 10-minute cardio. Okay, no equipment is required. You just do what you can. You just push your body. You burn those calories, all right? You get that sweat dripping, all right? Again, it's your workout. Do what you can. Here we go. We're starting with some seal jacks. Hands forward. Open up right here, okay? Bouncing on those toes. Heels are off the ground. Open up those hands nice and wide. Open up those arms. Open up that chest. Exhale that breath every time you open on up. All right, low impact is 1 foot at a time, no jump required, okay? Hands right, always in front of that chest, in line with those shoulders, okay? Keep breathing, that's that secret to that cardio. Always control the breath, all right? Control the breathing. Keep going. Okay, we got 10 minutes, 10 moves, okay? 10 different cardio moves you can do anywhere, all right? Nice and easy, keep going. Good job, everybody. Yeah, do what you can, pushing that body. Modify if you need to, that's okay with me. As long as you're here working out, all right? Good. Nice job, everybody. All right, next move, jump squats here, okay? I'll show you 2 modifications. Coming down and up, right here. Low impact, just lift those heels up. No need for that jump, okay? Higher impact. Do what you can, it will burn those legs, it will burn those quads. Exhale that breath as you come on up. Feet shoulder width apart. Land softly, okay? No need to make a loud noise with those jumps. Nice and easy. Coming down. Good. Keep going, everybody. Reach that bottom back. Push that body. Push those legs. Burn those quads. Do as many as you can. 1 minute here, okay? We got only 15 seconds left of these. Then we're going right into a jump rope. Okay? Legs are burning. Reach that bottom back. Great job. Jump rope right here. Work those calves. Okay? Swing those arms. Heels are off. Bouncing on those toes. Nice job. Good work, everybody. Keep going, keep breathing. Alright. Keep going, keep bouncing. Again, working those calves here, working the lower legs, working the shoulders. Reverse the arms, backwards jump rope. Keep going. Keep breathing. Good. Again, challenging you physically and mentally. Alright, it's about you telling yourself to keep going. Find that motivation, dig deep inside of you. Dig it out. Alright, push. Keep going. Next move, press jacks, right here. Pressing those hands up. Similar to a shoulder press, like those jumping jacks. Again, low impact is right here if you need it. Okay? That's okay. Even if you need to take a little breather, go into this. And then when you're ready, go right back in. Full press jacks. Lift those hands up. Reach those hands up to that ceiling. Work those shoulders. Keep breathing. Work the cardio. 30 seconds. Good. Good. You're striving to be better. Okay, to push that body. Finish strong. To keep it working. Burn those calories. Get those results. Okay, 10 seconds. Nice job, everybody. Alright, side crunch, one side up right here. Get that knee up to elbow. We'll do 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other side. Again, that foot's not resting too much on the ground. We're still going, working that speed here. Alright, keep breathing. Exhale that breath every time you crunch. Good. Other side. Get that knee up, get that elbow down. How are we doing? Still going, still pushing, still breathing, everybody. Keep going, let that sweat drip if you're sweating already. Good. Crunch that side out. Good. All right, squat jabs here. Okay, hands are gonna be up, feet shoulder width. Reach down, come up, jab, jab. Exhale that breath as you come up. Exhale every time you jab out. All right, punch, palm down. Rotate. Rotate those palms, okay? Keep that back tall, keep that chest up. Reach that bottom back. Imaginary chair right behind you. Sit it back. Sit it down. Come right back up. 30 seconds. Good. Great job, everyone. Keep going. Keep punching. Keep jabbing. Work for it. Dig deep. Good. Last 10 seconds of these. Then we're into some wide stance, quick feet, uppercuts. Alright, wide feet, soft bend those knees. Uppercut, clutch those biceps, keep it going. Ground is on fire. Fast feet. Here we go. Good, keep breathing. Punch, jab, uppercut it out. Good. Good, 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 good. Keep going, keep going. How many uppercuts can you get out? That's up to you. You're pushing. You're striving to be the best. To be strong. To be fit. Good. 25 seconds. Keep going a little bit faster. You got it. Ground is on fire. It's getting hotter. Pushing those feet faster. Uppercutting. Flex those biceps. Working those arms, working that cardio, keep breathing. 10 seconds. Give me what you got. Punch, punch, punch. Next move up, ice skaters. Ice skaters, here we go. Reach, extend out. Reach for that ground. Good. Great job. Keep working. Again, this is your workout, okay? This is up to you. All right, you're here. You're following along. You're pushing. We just got that 10 minutes, all right? 30 seconds left of these. 2 more moves left, okay? Almost there. Good. A little bit faster. A little bit lower. Good. Ten seconds, then we're going to push jacks. Push jacks here, hands up in front of that chest. Press out as you jack those feet out. Working shoulders, working chest. Exhale that breath, every single push. Good job. Keep going. Final move coming up next here, okay? Awesome work. Good job. 30 seconds. A little bit faster. Keep that back tall, keep that core engaged. Stay in control. Do not go too fast that you lose that control. Okay? That's how you cause injuries. Stay in control, stay focused. 10 seconds. Final move coming up. All right, squat, kick out. Feet shoulder width, come down, kick out. Leg is extends out, toes pointing forward, each side. Good, sit that bottom back. Hit that squat. Kick that leg out. Swing side to side. Final 30 seconds. Almost there. Keep going. Feel those legs burn. Feel the body burn. Sweat dripping. Breathing heavy. Good. You're working for it. Working hard. Great job. Almost there. Keep going. And relax. Great job, everybody. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through that mouth. Pulling that right foot, right quad stretch. Hold that balance. Switch sides. Pull that foot in towards your bottom, stretching out that left quad here. Both feet down, pull that knee up. Back is tall. Feel the stretch back to that right leg here. Other side. Still breathing, still slowing it down. Alright, arms over. Relax the upper body. Control the breathing. Alright, reach those hands up. Chin down. Chin up. Inhale through that nose. Exhale, bring those arms down. Give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Let me know in the comments below how this workout was for you. Scale of 1 to 5, alright? 1 to 5. Let me know. Remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.